Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this egg cooker. This is really neat, compact way to cook up to 8 eggs at once. They actually have a little thing for 8 separate eggs to go in here. If you want a hard-boiled egg, soft-boiled, or medium, and you have these little guys, if you just want to actually crack an egg and make the egg in here, you can actually make single eggs or a large little souffle to be able to steam up your egg and have your breakfast without making such a mess. So you've got this nice area here. All you've got to do is simply add your water in. Now I've already got it on, so clearly that is a hot little panel, but we're gonna add in our pre-measured water. You've got a little hole right here. If you did want to poke your eggs to prevent from cracking, you can easily use that, prevent for whole eggs from cracking. Then we set in our little thing here, add in our eggs, and then once we add in the eggs, all you've got to do is just simply press the buttons on here to select which one you want. So you have your soft, your medium, and your hard-boiled. So I am going to do hard-boiled. That's all I've got to do. And now I just wait, and this will do the work for me. And I am all finished. There's no guessing how much longer it needs to take or anything. I just wait my time frame, and then it is done. So we're going to let this cook, and we'll come back and check it out. All right, so these are peeling really nicely. I mean, I pulled this one out a little bit early, but here's the second one. I'm gonna see how he cooked. Perfect hard boiled. I mean, that is beautiful. You've got more of a medium boil here. Now keep in mind, if your eggs are in the refrigerator, you're gonna need a little extra time on here because they're cold. But if you got them at room temperature, this is gonna be fantastic. Quick and easy way to make flawless eggs that peel perfectly, which is a huge added bonus.